The federal government is set to create an online portal to engage the services of older persons after retirement. Dr. M.M. Omokaro, the Director General of the National Senior Citizens Center, said this in a meeting with relevant government agencies and stakeholders on service level in Abuja. Omokaro said the aim of the collaboration was to assist the center to create an online portal that will engage older persons who are professionals in their different field of endeavors to tap from their wealth of experiences. The DG said the center had built its portal where information of older persons who are interested in the scheme would be collated.
The gathering is a gathering of service level collaborators on our Continuing Engagement Bureau project. Continuing engagement means that we are disrupting retirement. And we are saying that we are creating platforms, we are creating tools, we are creating spaces for older persons who wish to continue to engage, to have the opportunities to do so. Of course, you know that older persons have a right to contribute in any area they wish to. And older persons have a right to access the labor market after retirement. Not necessarily that they are to be employed by government. And of course, we believe that older persons still have a lot of latent potentials. And they are, institutional memories reservoir. They have expertise, they have skills, they still carry their passions, they have traveled, they have, built families. So we can incubate their experiences. We can establish brain trust, experience core, and then have a labor market agreement with agencies, organizations, even government, where they are needed. So just like you have the National Youth Service Corps, we are building Experience Corps. So that is what this is about. So we have built our portal. It's going to be really ICT driven because we need all the data that we need to have. Are you retired from the Federal Civil Service? And all that. We want to know your profession, your years of service, where you located, and what you wish to continue to do. Are you retired from the state? Were you self-employed? And of course, most important, your profession. Because we have retired engineers, retired accountants, retired lawyers, and they still have their functional capacity. And they have so much to give, not only as solutions to, situations in the country. Look at our youth, our teaming youth. These are life coaches. These are people with wealth of experiences. So we are creating these platforms. And we are also identifying agencies that we need at this service level. That is why here you see NOTAP is here, Federal Ministry of Women Affairs, Federal Ministry of Finance, Budget and National Planning. You see all of them, they are here. Why? Because they also hold a reservoir of these, older people, and they are also running programs that they could need the services of these older people. And then, of course, the private sector is here. Were they bankers before? Were they engineers? Have they even some persons that indeed, are inventors? And they're old and they're just sitting somewhere. So most of the things that we grapple with are things that have been solved by these people. So that is what the National Senior Citizen Center is doing. One, based on the right to continue to participate, the right to be included, and the right to access the labor market. So NSCC is really mobilizing our older people. And then we want to show the wealth that Nigeria has, because our approach is we are positioning NSCC to create wealth. In the aging industry, in the health and social care industry, we are opening up that care industry to create employment and wealth. So also this. And what we are saying is that aging is an industry. It's no longer that small unit welfare, give older people something. No, we are bringing out the potentials in our older people and telling Nigeria this is a huge industry. And NSCC is creating that industry.
One of the participants who spoke at the event expressed the need to have a unique system that will provide a platform for engaging older persons. Mr. Aminu Hayatuddin from the National Office for Technology Acquisition and Promotion commended the zeal and passion of the center to create a platform that will better the lots of older persons in the country.
I came here to help in the review of the database portal the National Center is designing for capturing senior citizens. This is very important. In NOTAP, we have also a similar database where we have a record of professionals in the fields of science, engineering, and technology. That database was created based on the Executive Order 5, signed by the President Muhammadu Buhari in 2018. So with the knowledge and